kayo faculty. Faculty, the Shonawers, and all the students of my level for being cooperative and for being I just want to say na naging maganda naman yung stint ko as a level 3 coordinator. Even though alam niyo naman na maraming problema, maraming issues, maraming intriga.
Sir, iyak mo na yan! Sir, ilabas mo lang!
Pero, nandito pa rin ako, natapos ko yung stay as a and I'm very happy na yung magiging kapalit ko is more effective and more deserving than me, si Mr. Hasela Yambao. And sana, kung ano yung support niyo sa akin, ganoon din yung support niyo sa akin. Thank you.
Alright, meron pang isa magsasabi, sandali lang. Si